Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today just sharing really quickly. I've been making some backgrounds with some of the extra St. Patrick's Day paper I have from a 6x6 authentic paper pad that I'm trying to smash. I showed you some cards I made with those in a previous video. I will link that here if you did not get a chance to see it. But yeah, so just these stripes, pieces of paper, scraps that I have, I'm just, you know, laying them on my card. I'll show you, I made a few of them already, and I've made this one with all of those scrap pieces, and this one, as well as this one. And so I'll probably put a big sentiment on the front of these because the background is so busy. I'm not sure, but I'll make one with you, and so you can see how I did it, and if it inspires you, maybe you can make your own. So yeah, I just have a white card base, any size, whatever size you want. I believe this is 4 by 5 1/4. Yep, 4 by 5 1/4. And I just start with one of my scrap pieces and go from there, just laying them diagonally. As you will see, some of these I cut down to make them skinnier strips, but yeah. So at the ends I like to use these smaller ones, and I'll probably cut these thinner. So there's that one. Let's get some adhesive on this and start at the angle. There you go. And because this is two-sided paper, I can use the other side that I cut. And then I just butt them up to each other and then pick another one. Like this one, I can leave it the whole, this whole size, because you don't want them all the same size. You want some variation. It just gives interest. Okay, maybe this one is not big enough because it doesn't come all the way. It doesn't cover the whole angle. So I'm gonna put it down here, and it'll go on that one. Hopefully, I might not even be in view. I'm sorry. Let's like zoom in a little too and see if that helps any. Sorry for the glare on the paper. It is gloss paper. It's just a scratch piece of paper I had that I want to use up. So I have this strip here. I'm just gonna cut it down the center, not evenly maybe. Definitely not evenly. I got this strip and this strip. So I'm gonna use the big strip. There. And then the thinner strip I'll use right next. Right there. And then I'll cut this strip down a little. and use it for the next one. I hope it's long enough. I just gotta make sure before I adhere it down, because it's just tape. It sticks well. Sticks like how you want it to stick. Okay, so I got that one down, and we can use the back side. We just need a few more, so we'll cut this one down. And then we just need one more piece. Let me redo this one. We'll save that one for last. The next piece, I'm gonna cut it. Let's see, maybe this will work. Yep, we'll use that strip. And then this strip. Okay, so now I got all my strips down, covered that white cardstock I had. Then I just turn it over and cut all the excess off. You can take it to your paper trimmer too and clean it up after, or I feel like I'm gonna need to clean it up, so but then you end up with your background like this. And then you can add you know, like I said, sentiments or cut aparts. I have some of these cut aparts that I'm not going to use, but like this. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for another video where I actually use these, but that's how you make them. I'm just gonna add some more adhesive here because I don't want this to keep coming up. So yep, that was the backgrounds that I'm making. I think I have enough to make a few more, so I'm gonna make a few more before I decide how I'm gonna use these. So hope you guys found some inspiration. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.